Okay, I'm here to talk to you about silica gel packs. How exciting is that? It's not really all that exciting, but you want to know if these things work or not. So these are the 10-gram ones. These are the big, hefty ones. And actually, believe it or not, Nikki and I use them in our safe to make sure that humidity doesn't get in there and affects the papers and that kind of stuff, the valuables. So that's what we use these larger ones for. But we have used the smaller ones pretty much everywhere. You know, Nikki and I travel the world, and I can tell you in pretty much every bag that I open while we're on vacation, one of these falls out, whether it be in our camera bags or in our carry-on bags or in our actual luggage. There's like one or two of these smaller ones in everything we carry, and it's not like a super resolution. Like if you drop your bag in the water, that is not what this is designed for. But what it is designed for is if we are in the jungles in India, or we've been in the rainforests in Peru and that kind of stuff, and it is just so oppressively humid, that humidity gets locked in your bags and stuff, and you want to kind of pull it out so everything's not sitting in that humid. It's not going to dry stuff if it's wet. It's not going to solve all the problems in the world, but it is definitely going to take away that little edgy, like, you know, damp, humid kind of stuff going on in your bags or whatever you want to keep dry. In any case, we've used these literally all over the world, and Nikki really loves them because I find them everywhere, but we are a regular customer of theirs. In any case, I hope this is helpful. We'll see you next time.